Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are discussing the 6th class assignment 24 Community Decision Making in a Tribe and Gonpanch and Patla. And here the first one is what are the functions of Patla? Already I told in previous class the Patla is a headman and in the village and especially in the tribal village, and he is a completely usually and treated as a family head. And then here then the totally the village and people are completely and depend on then Patla. Then here and he is completely responsible and about the punch, because the punch is the head of the Patla. So the people and completely believe about that Patla. If any type of problems are there and about that Patla, then afterwards then those are under consult to the punch maybe and remove to the and Patla. So if any type of means some type of problems arise and through the Patla, and on that time then the punch remove the Patla from his service. So and then here and he treating as a headman, because in every and thing either and different types of and daily and problem or then about that and village and tribal village and every and thing in the completely means and taking a decision and from the Patla. Next question. What are the functions of Gond Panch? Here the Gond Panch is one of the important person, because he is an authority of the village and he is a headman, and as well as he is one of the important person. So the Panch is a and very and powerful person in the what is that one tribal and village, and he is the Gond in the and especially in the Gond society, it is one of the hereditary, because and who is the elder persons and those are treated as a punch, and then as well as and the Gond society and completely treated as a headman, or and he is one of the and elder person, all members are and obey and about them. So then what is that one, they never and meet and regularly and to the and Gond Panch, but and here the next person is and Patla is there, the Patla is and regularly and he is and consult to the daily people, but and then what is that one, Gond Panch is never and consult to the public directly. Next, third question. What is the meaning of hereditary? The hereditary nothing but the persons and who are the and elected, or the person who is a and either a son or a daughter, and then after his father who is treating and as a what is that one, after death of and his father, and who is treating as a headman, who is treating as a and important persons in the and village, and such persons are electing, means what is that one, electing as a then important persons in the and Gond and society, or and then for example and you see and in the then in the and previous time the kings and time, then king and son will become a and king next of the king, then what will be a, and so in the same way then hereditary is one of the important and process, especially and in the Gond and region, and those are following and this type of and hereditary system. So and this is the hereditary, because and those are completely following some type of rules and regulations. So the tribal people, those are nowadays also completely following that this type of an hereditary system. I hope that you understood this assignment. Thank you, children.